It's a first for us. We've never really done anything with the brand new JetCat stuff, so this is exciting. Of course, we're using Chaw servos in this aircraft, so we've got a bunch of Chaw servos here. The layout is exactly the same as what we used on the Ares L aircraft over there. So we're using the 5013s on all of the surfaces. We're using the 7000 series, whatever those are called. 7010s, still learning. The 7010s on the Vector. We're using a DS20 on the nose steering, and we'll use, I think it's called an HV95, I think, on the nose door.